press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Friends, welcome to your channel Profit Iniquities. Now, if you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel and press on the bell button to receive financial updates at the very earliest. Now, first, our apologies to you. We weren't able to bring the content of this video to you yesterday itself, but there has been news that Porinju Veliyath's firm EQ India has bought 30 lakh shares of an LPG Cylinders Manufacturing Company at rupees 29.56 yesterday. Please watch this video to know more. Now, the company in question is Confidence Petroleum India Limited, and this is currently available at 36.35. Now, you have to understand the caliber of a person that just his name in an absolutely falling market is able to push a stock to an upper circuit, and that is what happened to this particular stock today. Now, this company is an India-based manufacturer of liquefied petroleum gas cylinders for domestic as well as commercial use. Now, if you were to look at the one-year chart, you would see that it's been on a beautiful uptrend. The market cap of the company is 940.87 crores, which means that the company is a small cap one. The EPS is 0.53, which translates into a very expensive price to earnings ratio of 68.58. This is also much expensive compared to the industry PE of 37.70. The book value is 7.78, which translates into a price to book ratio of 4.67. The debt to equity is 0.5846. Now, the promoter holding here is low at 53.66, and this company did not pay out any dividends. Now, friends, an important thing here, as we told you at the very beginning, this transaction took place yesterday, and hence a lot of the price movement as per this purchase has already been priced in. Please don't treat any of this as stock recommendation. Please go ahead and do your own research. And this is all what we wanted to show you for today. Thanks for watching, and we will see you soon with another video.